Hello, we are going to learn how to chain multiple validations together. Uh, I have an Excel file where I want to remove all the items with null due dates, and I only want to keep January dates. So this Feb date I want to remove. I've already loaded up my file. Let's jump into validations. The first one is null or empty string. If it is a success, I want to discard the record. The second one is January. My dates are in DDMM format. If it is a failure, discard the record. Here we have it. I hope this was easy for you. If you have any more problem, please do come on to the forums.